गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। अभी अभी कुछ दिन पहले मैंने एनसीईआरटी की चैप्टर 1 आईटी एंड कम्युनिकेशन दैट इज़ 402 को अपलोड किया, जिसमें काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स ने ये बोला कि सर काफ़ी कुछ क्लियर कॉन्सेप्ट आपने दिया, इसके साथ साथ थोड़ा सा जो क्रिएटिविटी थी पेज वाइज वो थोड़ा डिम्ड था, जिसने सुधारने के लिए बहुत सारे कमेंट्स आए, मेरे पास एसएमएस आए और काफ़ी लोगों ने सराहा भी, जिससे कि मैं बीच बीच में कभी कभी हिंदी में भी कुछ टॉपिक्स को आसानी से स्टूडेंट्स को समझा सकूं। तो नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, वी विल लर्न चैप्टर 2 of class 9, that is creating textual communication. This is basically a chapter deals with two students come in a book fair and they prepare a certain record regarding the book stalls. Now chapter 2 is creating textual communication. इस चैप्टर में हम देखेंगे देयर आर टू students, basically one of is your Tanya and second one is Rishi, has gone to a book fair. They had a great of time spending there. They wanted to share their experiences with other. दो बच्चे हैं जिनका नाम तान्या और ऋषि है, वो एक बुक फेयर में जाते हैं और वहाँ पर काफ़ी देर तक वो लोग अपना समय बिताते हैं। इसके साथ साथ वो लोग ये भी तय करते हैं कि हम लोग इतने देर से जो बुक फेयर में घूम रहे थे उसमें हमारे क्या क्या एक्सपीरियंस हम दूसरे लोगों के साथ क्या शेयर कर सकें। इसलिए इन्होंने ये तय किया, तान्या and ऋषि think that what are the information may be shared with others about book fair. Now they were have some questions in their mind. First question is how many stalls are there in the book fair. Second one is which category of books did we like the most, and last who were the publisher of these books. कितने सारे स्टॉल्स लगे हुए हैं, किस तरीके के बुक्स हैं जो सभी को पसंद आ रहे हैं, इसके साथ साथ उस बुक्स को किन पब्लिशर्स या प्रकाशन के द्वारा प्रकाशित किया गया है। इसलिए तान्या और ऋषि दोनों मिलकर के एक रिपोर्ट बनाते हैं, जिसमें रिपोर्ट बेसिकली आप लोगों का यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं कैसा आपका रिपोर्ट है। हाथ से लिखा हुआ एक रिपोर्ट आपको दिख रहा होगा। पर तान्या और ऋषि सपोज दैट दिस टाइप ऑफ रिटन शुड बी very uncomfortable, so we will should some do some creative in this respect. Rishi was amazed to see Tanya's report. It contained text of varied color, style and size. It also had a picture and certain symbols for each category of books. So Tanya told to Rishi, you should know that there are some digital tools which can be used to create effective and digital documents. So first of all, Tanya has told to Rishi that one of basic word processor, he will guide some applications software, that is LibreWriter. That is a word processing software which is used to type formal, informal letters, or that is used for typing some documents. Now, Rishi also wanted to prepare his report using word processor. So he asked Tanya to help him. After taking permission from their teacher, Rishi and Tanya went to computer lab of their school. Tanya opened the text editor and asked Rishi to create a new document. Then Tanya explained him user of various keys on the keyboard. You all students have seen that there is a keyboard. Almost in a standard keyboard, there are 108 keys in a keyboard. Now, next page, that is getting familiar with your keyboard. You must be aware about your keyboard. In your keyboard, there are two enter keys, and the use of the enter key, that is it move to next line. You have tab key that takes 5 spaces to the right of the cursor. Also you will see that insert, it is also used to replace old words with the currently typed text. Also you have seen that delete key, backspace key, caps lock, shift key, these are all have their certain functions. Caps lock is used for uppercase and lowercase of alphabets. Shift key is also used for that, but when caps lock is off, we will use shift key. Also, Tanya has some important instructions regarding what is document, what is cursor. Document, basically any piece of information using a text editor is called a document. We will also know that document is basically a piece of information. Now second is what is cursor? A vertical line blinking in a text, that is a cursor, that is a vertical line basically in a text editor that indicates the place where anything that is typed will appear. Also we will say that a vertical blinking line in a text editor, it means a vertical blinking line in a text is called text editor. Now Tanya and Rishi gone through their work. Rishi opened the LibreOffice, that is word processor, and go to file, click on new text document, that is your office writer. You will see the home page of that application software. Tanya first fix the settings of the documents. Whenever we type a document, whenever we create a certain formal or informal formal or informal document, we should set some sizes about the paper size. Also we will go for orientation, that is portrait or landscape. Margins must be well mentioned. Also we will go for background color. As by default we have a background color that is white. We have seen that in our word writer, that is OpenOffice writer. Tanya, Rishi, you must have noticed that the pages of your notebook are of the same size and contains margins too. This gives a consistent look to your notebook. Similarly, if you set the margins and size of the document in the text editor, it will give a consistent look. Now, Rishi, what are the orientation types? She asked to Tanya. Tanya has told me that the documents vertically elongated. Now, then you will choose portrait. If you want to be horizontally elongated, select landscape orientation. That is told by Tanya. Now on the next, they will go for Rishi. Okay, so I will select page A4 orientation. Students, you all know that A4 is the by default page of our computer worldwide, but now we have some more paper sizes, just like legal, A3, passport, PP size, letter size, and etc. These are the sizes of. Also we will have some custom margins that we should select by in our margin section. Tanya told me, fine, and what about the background color? Rishi, my background color is yellow. Okay, so I will select that the background for my document. Rishi was happy to see the outcome of the page setting of his document and colored background of his page. Now you will see that the written typed later by the Rishi as shown in front of you. This is very nice and very creative. Also you will see that there you have some activity. So students created a text document on a topic of your choice. You will set as a A4 size. Also we will know the orientation of the page, that is whatever you should choose, portrait or it should be landscape. Now change the page orientation to landscape and observe the change in the document. This is your activity that must be done by every student. Once the report typed, Tanya suggested him to save the document as shown in figure. You must be see the figure, that is the file name, that is the location where you save the file. Also we will see that what is the format of your file. Rishi saved the file by the name of book fair report Rishi. Now students, you will see that there is .odt command should be saved by this application in LibreOffice Word editor. By default that is .odt. Now you can also perform a task using keys from the keyboard. They are called shortcut keys. You will also aware that some shortcut keys opening a new document, that is Ctrl+1. Also you have saved a document, that is Ctrl+S, and you must be aware about the how to open a document, that is Ctrl+O. that we should be written here. You all students must be carefully about how to know the shortcuts, about how we can set, how can we help, how can we manage it shortcuts through the document. Also we will see that there are must more keys in your keyboard, or whatever you should know that there are some bold, italic and underline. That is basically the format of the document. Also we will see that there is a font size, font name, alignment tool. There are 4 types of alignment tool: left align, right align, center align, and fourth one is justify. These are the 4 types of alignment tools in this word writer. Now you will also show that font name. Also you will see that font size, you must increase, you must decrease the font size, or also you can change the font name of that document that you have typed. Now students, here you will see that some format menu, paragraph, to change the look of the selected paragraph, choose the alignment tab to change the alignment left, right, center and justify. That is also discussed by me of the paragraph. How can we align that? That must be mentioned in this page. Now Rishi's report must be seen by everyone. That must be looks pretty beautiful. Here also we will see students, there is some activity number 2. Also you will see that some shortcut keys should be mentioned in your front of you, that is bold, italic and underline. Bold must the shortcut key of the bold must be CTRL plus P, italic must be CTRL plus I, underline CTRL plus U. That is the shortcut key of the bold, italic and underline. Now activity 2, using a text editor, write a paragraph on my favorite festival. Also you will choose my favorite festival. In Indian culture there are much more festivals are there. You also choose must Durga Puja is most best festival. Also there is Deepavali and Holi, etc. You must choose in whatever you must be your favorite festival, and apply various formatting effects listed below. I will guide some one by one. Also add a quote festival in the beginning of the chapter. You must be write first of all festival, mark a tick in front of the feature that you will be able to apply in a document, that must be bold, italic, center or whatever you must be. Now important point must be underlined or bold. That makes pretty beautiful. Paragraph must be justified because the letter should be in proper position. Background text, colored and font style, it must be mentioned or must be chosen carefully, or must be indentation and line spacing, that must be more serious about that. Indentation basically define what is the paragraph should be. Also students, you will know that in when we will type something, there must be some spelling and grammar mistakes should be happen by us. We have some spelling and grammar function in this word writer, so we must be aware about that. This grammar and spelling option, it should be mentioned in your tools settings. Also you will use F7 function, F7 key. This is the shortcut key of spelling and grammar function. Now students, you will see that there is a find and replace option. The shortcut key of find and replace, that must be CTRL plus F and CTRL plus R. That must be, these are the shortcut key. Also we will click on edit for this option. Now we have moved to next page. You have seen that some shortcut keys. I will also told you that cut, copy, paste, you may aware about that. Spelling and grammar, that must be I will told you that is must be function F7. Find and replace, that is CTRL plus H, that is must be different. I will see that I will told you that CTRL plus R and CTRL plus F must be, but here find and replace must be CTRL plus H, that is written in front of you. Now Rishi wanted to change the position of the code by Stephen Hawking. Once method is the delete it from its present position and retype at its new position. The better way is to use the cut and paste commands, through which the text will be removed from the original position and pasted to the new position. That is must be CTRL plus C and CTRL plus X, cut, copy, paste commands must be applied by the Rishi. Also we will use some cut copy paste from the edit option. You will see the options here. In this page also you have see that there is activity 3. Open the file that you have created in activity 2. In activity 2 you must have of best festival. Best festival means my favorite festival, that is in your activity 2. You must be chosen whatever your best festival, your favorite festival. Copy the code and paste it at the end of the document. Thereafter do it by cut and paste. What difference did you notice between cut and copy options? जब हम कभी भी कोई भी कट या कॉपी करते हैं तो हमें ये पता चलता है, जब हम कॉपी करते हैं तो ये पता चलता है हमारे पास कि जहाँ से हमने कॉपी किया और जहाँ पर हम ले जा कर के उसको पेस्ट कर रहे हैं, तो मीन्स उसकी 2 कॉपी बन रही है। मेमोरी हमारा कंज्यूम ज़्यादा हो रहा है। पर हम जैसे ही Ctrl+X कर देते हैं तो जहाँ से हमने उस डॉक्यूमेंट या वर्ड या अल्फ़ाबेट या कोई भी चीज़ जो टेक्स्ट है, वट एवर इट इज़, वो मेमोरी वहाँ से ऑटोमेटिकली हट जाती है और जहाँ पर हम जाकर पेस्ट करते हैं दैट इज़ द डेस्टिनेशन ऑफ दैट कैरेक्टर। स्टूडेंट्स, कट कॉपी में यही अंतर होता है कि कॉपी में हम 2 ड्यूअल मेमोरी कंज्यूम करता है रैम, और कट ऑप्शन में ऑटोमेटिकली वो सारी चीज़ें डिलीट हो जाती हैं और जहाँ पर हमको पेस्ट करना होता है वहाँ वो ऑटोमेटिकली जाकर पेस्ट हो जाता है। इसके साथ साथ ऋषि ने बुलेट्स एंड नंबर्स को भी बताया है। ये फॉर्मेट ऑप्शन में आपको मिल जाएगा। बुलेट्स एंड नंबरिंग्स में आप जाकर उस बुलेट्स टैब्स को जो भी आपके अच्छे या जो भी आपको पसंद आए या व्हाट यू हैव टू चूज़ दैट लुक्स योर डॉक्यूमेंट मस्ट ब्यूटीफुल, यू मस्ट बी चूज़। इस तरीके से ऋषि ने चूज़ किया जो आप देख रहे हैं। ऋषि ने बहुत ही अच्छा डॉक्यूमेंट्स के बुलेट्स एंड नंबर्स को चूज़ किया है। यहाँ पर आप देख रहे होंगे, ये बहुत ही अच्छा दिख रहा है। नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज, दैट इज़ एक्टिविटी 4। Now, activity 4 is tick the appropriate option given in the bracket and create at least 1 bullet and 1 numbered list using a word processor. That must be very, very effective for the students, that you must make a list of fruits that must be contains bullets and numbering, list of fruits like in order of preference, means it should be in a sequence, steps to cup of tea, list of favorite games. You must be use bullets and numbering in this. Click in this page, you have also see click table, insert table. If you want to insert a table, you must be click on table and insert table option. You will see here that some whatever the how many rows and how many columns you must be insert in this. Rows basically are the horizontal and columns are basically vertical. Rishi successfully inserted the table in his document. He also wanted to add a border to his table. Border basically creates your table most beautiful. Also it will some it will have some, it will makes your document most creative. Now students, you will see that there is Rishi has typed the document. Also you will see that Rishi has typed this document, that is the category of books and name of publisher, that is the mains typed by the Rishi. But here Rishi has used textbooks, 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 and on name of the publisher, that is NCERT, NCERT, NCERT. Also you will see after two lines, that is NCERT, that is NCERT, that is NCERT. Again and again he will type this. This will take Rishi more cumbersome. So students, one option should we use merge option, which makes repetition of words in one column. You will see, you will go for that in whenever we click on table merge cells. Now he observed that the category textbooks was repeating in 3 rows. He wanted the word textbook, that is appear in such a manner that is represents all the books under one category. So Rishi click on table and he will go for merge cell. Now students, you will see that here repetition of words is deleted, merged in one word, that is textbook. Now here NCERT should be mentioned name in the name of the publisher, that is Science Vigyan Urdu Guljar Urdu Mathematics grade 6 textbooks. Now you will also do this. Rishi had a very good paragraph of a book fair saved on the desktop. Rishi has saved this in his desktop. He wanted to insert that paragraph in his report. Tanya helped Rishi to insert the paragraph in his report. Now students, you will see that Rishi is very, very intelligent and he works very well. He created this report in a very good manner. Tanya also supported him to make this kind of report. Now students, we will come to header section. You will see that Rishi has typed, so that Rishi has written his name, that is Rishi's report. Tanya explaining him how to insert header and footer to document. First, open the footer section of the document by clicking insert header and footer. All the cursor will be placed in the footer area. Click insert page name. That is basically how he explained. Now students, we will go for activity 5. You will aware about activity 2, activity 3. In the document created in activity 2, do the following: insert a list of food items, insert a favorite festival, add a table describing at least 5 activities that are happening during the festivals, tick mark the feature that you added to your document, bullets and numbered list, tables with headings, merge rows, header and footer, picture paragraph, that you have to done in your lab class. Now answer some following questions. In which menu option did you find the table option? These are the questions you must be written in your CW copy. Now when we want to print this document, Rishi was very happy to see his document now. He wanted to show its teachers and parents, so he decided to take printouts. Before giving the print command, Tanya clicked the print preview button. Print preview is basically an option that is provided by any word editor, that how your document looks like. Tanya also helped him to where he will see the print preview button. Now Rishi, how the document would appear on a paper, it seen. Also students, you will see that before we take a print out, we must be see the print preview of that document. Also, now students, you will see that whenever we print a document, we have a shortcut key, that is Ctrl+P. Also we will go for file, print command. Now here we will see that if the report is in digital form, that is soft copy, and whenever we take out its printout, that is hard copy. But in your textbook, if the report is in digital form, either saved in some storage device or seen on the monitor, it is called a soft copy. The report that is printed on the paper is called hard copy. Here it is written. Now students, we have some other option, that is export to PDF. Whenever we want to export in a PDF form, we have to click on export as PDF. That is, this option is present under the file option. Also some exercises should be there. You will see that identify whether the following statements are true or false. Spelling and grammar check is a part of text editor. That is true. Bullet list and numbering can be done using format option in the text editor. That is true. Also in question C, copy feature is used to make copies of a picture. That is also true. Before taking a printout, check its print preview is favorable. That is also good. Also you have see that there is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the questions that you must be done by your own. That makes your interactive and much more easy to learn about this chapter. Now students, this is the second chapter of your NCERT class 9. Thank you for watching this video. We will also upload some more chapters. Now thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.